I'm Justin from RGBlink here with doing a rAVe video, of course, at InfoComm 2022. And here we're showing one of our streaming production kits, streaming production bundles, and of course featuring our RGBlink Mini Pro streaming switcher, 4x4K input on HDMI, output to HDMI, as well as streaming USB 3. It's a native webcam for your laptop, stream out to Facebook and YouTube and so on. And above that we've got the Tower 1 Pro, a direct streaming solution with no need for a PC, just load a streaming key and URL profile. Big thing about Tower 1 Pro, it's also an NDI encoder and decoder. Take any of your conventional cameras, web cameras, and inject them into an NDI workflow. And off to the side there we've got the new Bond router that goes together with the RGBlink Bond streaming service or cloud service. Allows you to bond and aggregate multiple signals to get that consistent and reliable streaming both up and down, on the go or anywhere. Come and take a look at all these solutions from RGBlink here at InfoComm, of course, or on the website www.rgblink.com.